50 at the Worthington Inn, Columbus Police SWAT. We have a search warrant for that apartment. You need to slowly open the door with nothing in your hands and listen to the instructions of the officers outside. We are not going away. You need to slowly open the door, nothing in your hands, and listen to the instructions of the officers outside. Do it now. Okay.
Slowly. Come on, buddy.
Slowly open the door with nothing in your hands. Listen to the instructions of the officers.
Okay. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Just get down on the ground. Yes, well, please. We don't know what's behind the door, sir. No. Open the door slowly.
See your empty hands in the window. Slowly open the door. Listen to the instructions of the officer.
Yeah, we're talking about no one's gonna hurt you. Just come out with nothing in your hand. No one's gonna shoot you. There's nothing in your hand. You're told. Just do as you're told. Show us hands first. You're gonna be fine. Reach out. All right, there you go. Keep down. Keep coming out. Step outside. There you go. Step out. Lay down on the ground. Right there. Please lay down on the ground. Okay. Well, then no idea. You come to us. Well, listen. You don't want us coming there. Just come to us. Here. Stay as low as you can. Keep coming. Keep coming, please. There you go. Down. Keep coming down. Sprawl. Lay down, please. All right, we'll walk a little past. Yep. All right. Stay there.
Why am I being cuffed for?
Well, good car protection yours.
What did I do? Why am I being...
Take him right around the corner. He has not been searched at all.
Why are you guys handling me like this? Like, what the fuck? What are you doing?
We're making sure you don't have anything on.
I have nothing, bro.
All right, calm down.
Where are we going?
Down to the cruiser.
For what? Like, I have a right to know what the hell's going on.
Somebody will talk to you about it then.
Where am I going?
Just put you in the back of this cruiser here.
I don't want to get broke, man.
You don't want what?
I don't want to get broke on this ice.
Yeah, I don't want to break you on this ice.
Shit.
Alright, watch your step.
I'm trying to pull up my pants before I fall.
Alright.
We got you. What the hell did I do? I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. That's a beautiful car.
Beautiful fucking bike.
Alright, have a seat.
This fucking thing, man.
It's alright.
No. You guys are just gonna shut me in here and leave me the fuck in here and not tell me nothing.
Oh, yeah, somebody will be over here to talk to you.